Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech insights. Less Annoying CRM, a review based on my experience. Links to Less Annoying CRM and related resources are available in the description below. Less Annoying CRM presents a simplified, user-friendly customer relationship management (CRM) solution tailored for small businesses and solopreneurs. This platform shines as an exceptional option for users aiming to streamline their sales and customer management operations without the burdensome complexity and steep price tags associated with conventional CRM systems. A defining characteristic of Less Annoying CRM is its intuitive design and remarkable ease of use. The platform minimizes the learning curve, making it readily accessible even for individuals with no prior experience using CRM software. Setting up an account is a matter of minutes, and the interface is refreshingly clean and intuitive. Users can swiftly add contacts, monitor leads, and manage their sales pipeline without feeling overwhelmed. Contact and lead management form the core of Less Annoying CRM. It offers a centralized database to store contact information, track interactions, and log important notes. The customizable pipeline management tool empowers users to track deals through each stage of the sales process, guaranteeing nothing slips through the cracks. Furthermore, users can create tasks and establish reminders for follow-ups, facilitating organization and helping them stay on top of their to-do lists. Another valuable advantage lies in its calendar and task management functionalities, which are seamlessly integrated within the CRM. This integration simplifies scheduling meetings, planning activities, and ensuring deadlines are met, all within a single platform. Less Annoying CRM also provides essential reporting features, offering insights into sales progress and team performance. Unlike many CRM platforms, Less Annoying CRM maintains a straightforward and affordable pricing structure with a single flat fee encompassing all features and unlimited users. This pricing model makes it particularly attractive for small teams and solo entrepreneurs. While it may lack advanced functionalities such as marketing automation or extensive third-party integrations, its simplicity and affordability make it an ideal solution for businesses seeking efficient relationship management without unnecessary complications. In summary, Less Annoying CRM is a superb option for small businesses and individuals looking for a practical, no-frills, and budget-friendly CRM to manage contacts and sales pipelines. Its user-friendly design and transparent pricing make it a compelling choice for those who prioritize simplicity and efficiency. Click the links in the description to explore Less Annoying CRM further and determine if it aligns with your business requirements. This review aims to provide clarity on whether Less Annoying CRM is the right solution for you, empowering you to make an informed decision.